Hey, it's Bezza here, your favorite real estate chick. You haven't seen me in a while, but guess where we are? We're at a property walkthrough and I have a special guest.
Definitely not the dingo.
It's our favorite sales guy from Ohio Cashflow, right?
Hey everybody.
We pulled him out of the office and now he's doing property walkthroughs. I'm not crying, it's just the sun is so bright, my eyes start to water.
See, that's why I brought these.
It's tears of joy that we're doing a property walkthrough. I've just been really wanting to do one of these.
You picked a good day for it though.
It's freezing,
yes,
but at least the sun is out. But where are we? What zip code are we in today?
We are in the 43611 zip code in the Point Place neighborhood, the highly coveted Point Place neighborhood of Toledo. So we don't find a lot of deals here, but when we do, we snatch them up because they move quick. I believe this one is on 286th Street, if I'm not mistaken, Bez?
Yes.
Yes. 286th, sale price of $69,900. So that's below market value here. There's homes that sell in this area for upwards of $100,000. 700 square feet, 2-bed, 1-bath.
I think, was it 650 and around?
675, so a little bit more than we
okay.
originally thought we would get out of this property. And for a neighborhood like Point Place, which is a B+ style neighborhood, 8% cap rate, which is very solid.
Awesome.
Very, very solid.
Cool. I don't know if you can see the property behind me, but it definitely has curb appeal. Great look on the inside. Let's go in and take a peek.
Yeah.
Did you see anything in the windows during that walkthrough?
I know I didn't.
No.
You all right?
No, maybe
it's cold outside. Yeah.
Maybe I didn't see anything.
Yeah,
Maybe I'm losing my mind. It's my first property walkthrough in a while. Maybe I'm just overjoyed.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that was a peek inside the property here on 286th. What'd you think?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Beautiful flooring throughout. You know, everything is redone, brand new flooring, brand new carpet. Excuse me, I can't even talk.
It's first time, it's cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, awesome. Thank you so much for joining us here for Property Walkthrough. If you want to find out more information, check out our properties, go to ohiocashflow.com. What else do we have on there?
Tons of properties like this. You know, the Ohio Cashflow investor application. Make sure you guys fill that out. Time's running out. The Elite Club is filling up quick, Bez. It's filling
How
up
many more
quick.
spots?
It's got to be 20.
Okay.
Yeah, around 20. So only 20 more of you lucky people out there will be able to join this exclusive club. Fill out the application. You'll talk to me, Zach, your favorite sales guy, and we'll hook you guys up with a property like this.
Awesome. Check us out at the next Property Walkthrough.
See you guys.
Let's go back to the fill off the investor app thing. Watch moving your arms a lot.
The jacket?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The jacket's making a lot of noise, and then you totally smash to the microphone.
Oh, because I went like this, yeah.
So just go back to that spot. Check out our investor app.
Yeah. All right. I was like, wait a minute, hold on, where was I?
Like, what?
All right. Yeah, sorry. All right. Don't forget to check out our investor app, guys. Time's running out. The Ohio Cashflow Elite Club is filling up quick. We only have about 20 spots left. So 20 more lucky people are going to be able to join this exclusive club and have tons of properties like this ready for them. So make sure you fill that out and have a chat with me.
And don't forget to check out the rest of our videos on our YouTube channel. We have end of month summaries. What else do we have? More property walkthroughs, obviously, and a lot of stuff.
Ask the Dingo.
Ask the Dingo, a lot of value stuff that you can check out. So check us out there and on our social media pages. All that info is actually in the description box below. And we will check you out on the next video. Sorry, I just saw a squirrel come into like my peripheral.
What is it with you and seeing things in the windows today?
You know what? I also see squirrels a lot of properties too. You can ask Matt. But yeah, so we'll see you at the next property.
Thanks, guys.